Hey! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we're putting your observation skills to the ultimate test with 15 epic Sonic the Hedgehog levels. Think you've got what it takes to spot the sneaky odd ones? This one's for the real fans out there. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button and let's roll. Can you find the odd Sonic emoji? Nailed it! There's a little, oddball right here. Now, spot the odd emoji among all these golden rings. Wow, it's Sonic himself hiding in there. Time for a challenge. Identify the real Shadow the Hedgehog from these three. Got it! The true Shadow is the black and red legend. Find the odd shadow in the darkness. Boom! You spotted the odd one out like a pro? Where's the odd tails emoji? You got it! Tails is soaring high. Tails is lost among some foxes. Can you spot him? Incredible! There he is, right where you'd expect. Emoji riddle time. Which character do these two emojis represent? Dr. Eggman, Sonic's mustachioed nemesis. One Eggman emoji stands out. Can you find it? Yup, that's the standout Eggman. You're on fire! Spot the odd Silver the Hedgehog emoji. Well done. You found Silver, the hedgehog from the future. What's Silver's special ability? Flight, invisibility, telekinesis, or super speed? Of course! It's telekinesis. Mind blown! Find the odd one out among Cream the Rabbit and her friend Chow. Sweet success! It's an ice cream emoji. Cream is hiding among other bunnies. Can you spot her? Hopping success! You found her? Look closely. One Sonic here looks unusual. Whoa, it's Robo-Sonic in disguise. Spot the odd metal Sonic emoji. Fantastic! There it is, hidden in plain sight. Can you guess the real Knuckles from these three? Bingo! The real Knuckles is under A. You've got the Knuckles for this challenge. And that's the finish line. How many puzzles did you conquer? Drop your score in the comments and let us know which one stumped you the most. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the so you never miss an exciting quiz. Until next time, Keep those observation skills sharp, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Quiz Universe out.